How do I process a refund? First, go to the sales area in Encore. To do a refund, we will need to create a new invoice for the customer. Click Add New to start a new invoice. Select the customer to be refunded. Select the employee who initially sold the product or service. If the employee receives commission for sales, it is important to select the employee who sold the product or performed the service if you want it to be removed from their commission amount. Once you have selected the employee, you will need to click the three-dot icon next to the customer's name and click on Issue Refund. This will put the screen into refund mode. When in refund mode, the text will be shown in purple. Select the service or product to be refunded. We will select the manicure service. The price of the service will be automatically loaded for the refund. You can edit the refund amount in the price field. If there is more than one service to be refunded, set the quantity here. If the refund includes or excludes tax, turn taxes on or off here. Click Add Refund to Invoice once finished. Now, we will add a product refund. Click on the Products button and select the product to be refunded. The price of the product will be automatically loaded for the refund. You can edit the refund amount in the price field. If there is more than one of the selected product to refund, set the quantity here. If you will be putting the product back on the shelf for sale, set how many will be reshelved here. If the product can no longer be sold, set this to 0. If the refund includes or excludes tax, turn taxes on or off here. Click Add Refund to Invoice once finished. Once the items to be refunded have been added, click the Pay button. Select the payment method being used to refund the customer. The amount on the invoice will populate automatically. If you are also refunding a tip amount, enter it into the tip amount field. Click Add Refund to add the refund amount to the invoice. Click Finish at the bottom of the invoice to finish the refund process. We have now gone over how to process a refund. Thanks for watching.